I say? I couldn't make it out. It scared me a little. Well, here I am in my right mind again, Hal said, and managed a small grin.
Captain's face did not change. Doug's face did. The beach got him.
And that means that we can see the cells inside without cutting them open and without any of this material spurting out. So once you cut it, things will start to fall out. And we're able to do that because of the unique capabilities that we have here.
And why do you think the tree doesn't cuts and mail her away someplace to Robert Driscoll, care of General Delivery? Any old place. Lima, Indiana, North Pole, New Hampshire, Intercourse, Pennsylvania, Kunkel.
On more than one occasion, usually after a glass of wine or two, God sometimes played dirty. You know what I mean,
That's what they do over here.
Uncle George said.
I've done this too.
His wife and his 3 girls had gone over to Gate.
Faces more than a decade behind bars on corruption charges. It's a charge that's divided Brazil. Those who feel he and his Workers' Party have been unfairly treated.
Podcast. I'm Galen Druk. Paul Manafort, President Trump's former campaign chairman, has agreed to cooperate with the Mueller investigation into Russian election meddling as part of a plea deal. He pleaded guilty to the Mueller investigation, and how big of a risk is it to the Trump administration in general?
What's the scale we use? It's 1 to 5 alarm fire.
I'd say it's a 3.
Ooh.
Is that lower than you?
That's lower than I thought.
Yeah. I think our 5 alarm fire scale is for reading the tea leaves. When something happens, when Mueller comes back with findings and Trump fires Mueller, that's sort of prima facie a big deal.
A new paradigm.
A new paradigm. Yeah, that's when we'll break out the
paradigm shift noise. That
In half a mile. Turn left on Human Road, drive northeast.
He's just a friend. Oh, shit. He wants to be more than a friend. Why did you think he was my boyfriend? She asks. The way you smiled at him and he at you. You have known? I ask. Mostly, she says, and it's 2 strikes against her. Incurable romantic who only wears jeans. I like my women in skirts. Mouth, she turns and rests against the bricks, avoiding eye contact because she's ashamed and embarrassed.
Buddy, what are you doing?
And yet, I'm so pleased to see her. Gone is my fury at the photographer. I'm delighted to be standing.
Anyway, so just a minute. Well, I have not read this outline yet, so it's going to be new to me as well. Today, we're going to get out of this world. We're actually really happy to do it. This world's not very good right now, so I'm happy to get out of this world. The Andreessen Affair. That is the name of today's episode. The Andreessen Affair. And I'm assuming it's not a couples issue? No. It is a singles issue. Oh, okay. It is very much a singles issue. I thought it was alien abduction episode. So we're doing alien abductions again. But I'm really excited for again. Sci-fi and alien aliens, UFOs.
Turn right onto north side, drive northwest.
Trying to get the vibe. I'm a microphone, baby, trying to stay alive. Turn the ATM when you've been high. The real golden age of witch hunts began with the publication of the Malleus Maleficarum, translated in English as the Hammer of Witches. But actually, it was a terrible thing. Oh, was it? Yeah, we can't.
All been like long-term like submissives and stuff, right? That he's talking about?
Okay.
Yeah.
For long periods of time? Some of them, yes. Have you ever been beaten?
being silly.
She asks. Yes. Many, many times. Eleanor was devilishly handy with a cane. It's the only touch I could tolerate.
Well, I mean, it's like
Her eyes widen and she puts the
you
uneaten
can
grapes
make
on a plate
it, as long as
and takes
they're
another sip of wine.
just
Her lack of appetite is
ease your way in
irritating
there.
and is affecting mine. Perhaps I should just bite the bullet and show her the rules. Let's discuss this in my study. I want to show you something. She follows me and but surely not 4 times a week. How about 3?
What's her supple and strong?
I want you to do 4. I thought this was a negotiation.
Oh,
But then
God.
she's disarming, calling me out on my shit.
Girl, all your YouTube followers
Okay,
are gonna,
this deal.
subscribers,
The ball
whatever,
meets
turning
mine,
laughter.
tentatively probing my mouth.
Oh my god,
And
just
for
go
some
around
reason, her
him.
fumbling experiences hot. She tastes luscious. Wine, grapes, and innocence. A potent, heady
What
mix
does
of
innocence
flavors.
taste like?
I fold my...
Oh!
Shit! You got that on your desk. Oh, that sucks.
I pull out of her almost immediately and roll onto my back.
Oh my
She
god,
curls up at my
seriously?
side.
You're an asshole. All these
As
people
I pull off
just
the
waited
condom,
in line
she closes
for
her
like
eyes and falls asleep.
15 minutes probably, and they just cut through.